All right, we're here today and we're going to go ahead and set up the Iowa CORS network, or the Iowa RTN, for a Mavic 3 multispectral. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to set that up. I've got my remote powered on and my drone, and it's ready to go. You will have to have both on and connected, registered and paired, to go ahead and start this process. I have the RTK on top fixed, and I also have an internet connection, which is just my Wi-Fi here at the hangar. We have that set up. To get started, you're going to go ahead and go to enter camera view, and we're going to X out of this screen. Once we've done this, we can go ahead and click the triple dots in the top, and then you're going to scroll and click on the satellite button. Now, to get RTK, there's different configurations you can add. You can do different groups. I have one set up here, but I'm going to go ahead and switch to this one. It's empty. I'm going to click edit. Now, you have to know these addresses. You can go ahead and type in here. You're going to type for the Iowa RTN, it's 165.206.203.10. That's going to be the IP for their service. Now we're going to go ahead and put in the port, which is 10,000. So remember, count your zeros and make sure. And then you're going to have your account. So I'm going to put in Airstrike Ag. Now you may have a different login name, so you need to put that in. And then you're going to put in your passwords. You need to put in a mount point. And you'd have to memorize these. The one that really works well for this is you want to have it be capital, and you type M, S, M, and I use near. There's also IMAX, but right now the near seems to work better because it provides simpler data flow. So we have MSM near, you can see right there. You can kind of go back up here, and maybe we'll change this and say, so you know which one you're connecting to. I'll just say Iowa RTN. RTN. And this just names it. It doesn't really matter, but it just gives you kind of a name. So when you're selecting it in the drop down, you know which one you have. Okay, now that we've got that done, we're set up and ready to go. I have my internet, so I could set my drone out here now, and we can go ahead and get a position. To turn on the RTK, you just click up in the top here, and then you have to flip this slider on. It's going to take a minute for it to converge, but once it does, you're going to get a reading of what the satellites are. So now you're ready to fly, you're in RTK, and you're on the Iowa CORS network.